When considering ServiceDesk Plus, here are 12 things you need to know before making a purchase. ServiceDesk Plus is one of the most popular help desk solutions, but how does it stack up against competitors like Freshservice, Zendesk, and Jira Service Management? Stick with us until the end, as we'll give you all the details to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. First, ServiceDesk Plus offers a robust ticketing system that handles incidents and service requests with ease. It's designed for IT teams and businesses of all sizes, offering a range of functionalities like automatic ticket creation and assignment, along with the ability to prioritize tickets based on severity. This system is intuitive, but competitors like Freshservice offer a cleaner interface, which some users may prefer. Next, the platform offers excellent asset management. You can track hardware and software assets, assign them to specific users, and even schedule maintenance. While this feature is handy, competitors like Zendesk might have more advanced asset tracking features, though ServiceDesk Plus definitely gets the job done. The third thing to consider is automation. ServiceDesk Plus includes customizable workflows that can automate repetitive tasks like ticket routing, escalations, and notifications. This can save you time, but tools like Jira Service Management may have more advanced automation options, especially for larger teams that need complex workflows. Now, let's talk integrations. ServiceDesk Plus integrates with a variety of third-party tools, including popular software like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Active Directory. However, its integration options are limited compared to Freshservice, which offers a wider range of integrations with other business tools. Another point is reporting. ServiceDesk Plus provides detailed reports on ticket statuses, trends, and agent performance. It's good for tracking performance, but if you're looking for more in-depth analytics, tools like Zendesk might be a better option for your business. ServiceDesk Plus also includes a customer portal where users can submit requests and check the status of their tickets. This feature is user-friendly, but it's a bit basic compared to the customer-facing portals offered by competitors like Freshservice, which offers a more customizable and branded experience. Moving on, ServiceDesk Plus supports SLAs, allowing you to set response and resolution times for tickets. This is a critical feature for ensuring timely support, but Jira Service Management might offer more flexibility for teams that need to manage multiple SLAs with more granularity. The next thing to note is pricing. ServiceDesk Plus offers a variety of pricing tiers, making it suitable for small businesses as well as enterprise-level organizations. While it's competitively priced, especially for the features it offers, Zendesk and Freshservice have lower starting prices and may be more attractive for businesses just getting started. ServiceDesk Plus also offers mobile support, which allows agents to respond to tickets on the go. While useful, it's not as polished as the mobile apps offered by other platforms like Zendesk, which might be more intuitive for teams on the move. Another point to consider is the knowledge base. ServiceDesk Plus includes a knowledge base that allows both agents and customers to access self-service resources. However, competitors like Freshservice provide more advanced knowledge management tools with enhanced search functionality, making it easier for customers to find solutions. The 11th thing to know is security. ServiceDesk Plus includes standard security features like role-based access and encryption, but it might fall short in advanced security offerings compared to tools like Jira Service Management, which includes more robust options for managing sensitive data and compliance. Finally, customer support. ServiceDesk Plus offers 24/7 customer support through multiple channels like phone, email, and chat. While their support is reliable, some users report that the response times could be quicker. If you need faster and more personalized support, Zendesk has a reputation for offering top-tier customer service. So, is ServiceDesk Plus the right choice for you? It's a solid option for teams looking for a feature-packed, affordable help desk solution with decent automation, asset management, and reporting capabilities. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, a better customer experience, or more integrations, you might want to consider other solutions. If you're looking for an even better help desk solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free. It's worth exploring if you want something that's easier to use, offers